Hey, my name is Chad. On this channel we like to make stuff. Hey, thanks for joining me. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time, I hope you will follow along. This is a maker channel where we do projects, and sometimes, like today, we do short maker montages. If you remember a couple videos back, we did a plaque for an army organization using this symbol and turned it into this. If you want to see more about how this was made, I've got 2 videos on it. I will link those at the end of this video, so wait until then. And today's short maker montage is where we take this symbol and turn it into a holiday gift ornament. Here we go. Vibrations of the universe inside of me. Help me beat the shit out of my ego, please. Sunrise and the sunset and the time between them. Let us stay forever young and never die. I have to say, this is one of my favorite pieces to have created. As you can see, I've got a lot to choose from. Every year for the past 3 years or so, I've been fully engaged from October through December to create ornaments for people's holiday events. And I'll just say this, if you're in charge of putting together a holiday event for your organization, then don't wait until the last week of November or even December to get in touch with me, or for that matter, anybody who you're having do custom work for you. October is great. July is even better. The faster I can get a order out for an individual, the better, because these orders stack up for me so fast in the November time frame. And I might not be able to help you. If you've enjoyed what I showed you today, then go ahead and check out my other stuff and be sure to follow along. I appreciate the support.